Hello everyone, welcome to TLT Studio. With this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to swap your left and right mouse button on Windows 10. Now the question you may have is why? Why would I want to swap my left mouse click to my right mouse click and my right mouse click to my left mouse click? Alright, so in other terms, the primary button, you're switching from the primary button to the secondary button and the secondary button to the primary button, alright, which is left and right. Now most standard laptops are more convenient for right-handed users. So if you are somebody that is left-handed, by switching the left and right mouse button, it will make it more convenient for you to use a laptop. So that's one of the main reasons why Windows 10 have this function. All right. Also, by using your left or your primary button on your mouse constantly, it reduces the functionality of the button. So over time, it will be less responsive. So therefore, if you know how to switch from the primary button to the secondary button, you'll be able to use your computer and get the same functionality. So let's jump right in. Now the first step is to go down to the search bar and you're going to type in mouse. All right. So when you type in mouse, you're going to see mouse settings. You're going to click. All right. And right here where you see mouse, it says select your primary button. Now currently my primary button is my left click. Right. So what I'm going to do is change it to right. So once you have done this, it simply means that your right button where you would right click is now the primary button which you will use to left click. So your right is now left and your left is now right. So once you have changed that, it's all good to go. You don't have to do anything else. You can just close it. All right. So now my left click is giving me the options of the right click, and now my right click is now what I use to select. All right, so very easy, very quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and share. Have a blessed day.